In this video, let me show you how to fix the .NET 3.5 stock on downloading. So if you try to download the .NET 3.5 system onto your Windows device and if it is currently stuck on downloading, the simple solution to fix this is you just need to head over to the search bar on the bottom and search for services. So just head over to the services option, which is the system application inside of your Windows. Once you're inside of this platform, you just need to scroll down to the W section. So this is alphabetically listed. So you can scroll down until you see the section of Windows Update. Just right click on it and then click on refresh. Now, as soon as you do that, close the application and make sure you restart your device. So once you do this exact process, you should be able to fix the .NET 3.5 downloading error. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to leave a like. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.